MyTV channel. With top-of-the-line facilities. The only Cebu-based lifestyle network that features the best of what life has to offer.
Initiating segment 1.
From the worldwide reach of its live broadcasts through online streaming, MyTV offers sensible TV viewing with our quality shows that are dynamic.
Ang anti-rabies program sa Matag Barangay daw gikalimta na.
Intelligent.
And welcome once again to Straight from the Sky.
And entertaining.
I'm 60 now.
Oh, wow!
So, well, you didn't have to say wow. You're good. Tama sila.
So, this has been another episode of Open Mic. This is Mike Lopez.
Engaging topics, significant to each and every Filipino. Ranging from politics.
Ako, si Eric Espina, mauni ang inyong Republika.
Law.
Welcome again sa atong My Law 101. Ako si Attorney Bingo Gonzalez.
Kini si Dean Jonathan Capanas.
Religion. Family.
Ang kini siyang families will become sanctuaries of human life.
Travel.
Bantayan Island is considered Cebu's fishing ground.
Hi, I'm Bart Borja, and you're watching My Destination.
Hi, I'm Alexis.
Food.
Chef Sean McSavity coming with another episode of Anyone Can Cook.
Events. Happenings. Sports. Business.
And I'm your host, Nimrod Quinones. This is my business.
Health.
Welcome to My Health Cebu. I am your host, Dr. Steven Seno.
Lifestyle.
Good day and welcome to My Pets. I'm your host, Anya Unchuan.
And music. MyTV is the only channel featuring all local shows on cable television. Aired on Sky Cable Channel 30 in Metro Cebu. Parasat Channel 28 all over northern Mindanao, and worldwide reach through online live streaming on www.livestream.com/mytv30/on-air. Come and be featured. This is your channel, my channel, MyTV.